This is me trying to do an American accent. Oh, accent. My people, you know how we do what we do. Yes, yes, yes. Me pun know how to do the thing. Me pun.
Wine to the left, sweet to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. No, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Wine to the left, sweet to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. No, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction.
Hey guys, what do you do? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl NG and I'm back again with another video. I don't know why I look so dolled up. Like, I don't know, I was just in the mood today to get dressed up, so I'm gonna take it like that. For today's video, I'm gonna be talking about my accent insecurity. Someone asked me to do a video on this, so that's what we're doing today. I'm just gonna be talking about my experience with my accent and things that I've found that helped me or are still helping me grow. I have most definitely not entirely overcome my insecurity, but I'm working on it and I'm getting better at accepting it every day. If you are new to my channel or this is your first time seeing my face, true, I'm most definitely welcome to my channel. I love and appreciate your presence on this platform, so definitely subscribe and click on the bell right next to it so you get notified whenever I post new videos. And I'm gonna wait right now. Are you done? Such a cutie, aren't you? Don't forget to like this video, comment down below and share this video, and without further ado, baby boo, let's get into this video. Okay, yes guys, now into my experience. So my accent insecurity has always been a major thing for me. Like, I've always been insecure about my accent since I moved here, because like moving from one environment to another tends to do that to some people, not everybody, but it did that to me. When I moved here, you know, Nigerian English is very different from American accent. I said Nigerian English. Nigerian accent is very different from American accent. I wouldn't want to talk because I felt like my accent was sort of like a local form. I felt my accent was local. I know it's not right, but that's what I felt when I first moved here. In class, I wouldn't want to say anything just because people will be centered on me while I am speaking my rice. And here they just call it rice. In my first year, I wouldn't talk at all. I also had a friend with an accent, and she kind of helped me because I noticed like she was very confident in class. She was from the islands. It's not entirely the same accent, but like I could relate. It was closer to my accent than the American accent. So yes, I asked her how she was so confident and everything, and she was just like, she doesn't know that she's not bothered about the accent. She's just not bothered about it. And then from there, I started learning that I can't keep getting bothered by this accent thing forever. Second year, I started speaking in class because I would do whatever I took to get my grade. Not like I would go and do the extreme things, but like I was like, if there was something I could do within my means to get a good grade, I would do it. And my teacher wanted me to speak in class, so I just had to do it. If I fail, what did I say to my mother that after? You see, I said, what's I say? Hey, because I sent you fail. You're mad. But yeah, so I had to read in class for grades, for participation points, so I would do that. And I still wasn't comfortable with it, but I would do that. I also asked my friends, like, how did you feel about my accent? And a lot of them weren't really bothered about it. They said it was different, and sometimes people couldn't hear the words I was saying because I was also trying to form an American accent with my Nigerian accent, and if you mix it all together, it just gets confusing. Senior year, which was my last year in high school, I started like getting more comfortable because it was my last year and I wanted to make it count. It was just like this accent thing. Nobody has insulted me saying that your accent is bad for the last 2 years that I've been here, so why can't I just do it? Although I wasn't like 100% like, but like I would talk when it was necessary. Sometimes I would say stuff and attention would be focused on me and I won't feel like too shy or nervous. People even started telling me my senior year that, oh, African queen, you know, because I was getting the grades and everything. So they're like, oh, African queen. People were telling me like they don't know why I was shy. Like my accent, they actually liked it for some weird reason. I think because not many people had the same accent, but a lot of people told me that they liked my accent. And that was it. It's not really one story, but it's just like a step-by-step of how I started accepting my accent. But I still wouldn't show people my YouTube channel because I hate the way I spoke. That's another insecurity actually. As time went by, I started like, see, this girl, accent is not going to stop you from success, so you need to manage yourself. So now for my tips that I've been using so far and I'm still using, number one would be like, everybody has an accent. The French people have an accent, Americans have an accent, the British have an accent, you know, the Kenyans have an accent. I can't even do a few. Guess the accents. Let's do a quick game. Let's do a quick game. Run it up. Run it up. Let me try. So this is me trying to speak in an accent. Of course, it's not 100%. You could still hear You can still hear my Nigerian words, but like it is what it is. I think it's getting better, but like I need to work on it every time. So this is me trying to speak an accent. I don't know if it's exactly, but it is what it is. I don't know what accent it is, but it is an accent. One love Africa, one love world. So guys, this is me trying to do a saying. I don't know if I'm entirely 100% correct, but I've watched like a lot of movies. I'm not 100% sure. Please correct me down below if I'm wrong. But this is me trying to do an accent. Okay guys, this is me trying to do it's almost close to an Indian accent, but it's not exactly the same. This is what I think it is, or this is what I think it is. Please do not come for me in the comments saying I'm insulting anybody. So guys, this is me trying to do accent. I don't know if I'm entirely right, but I spent a lot of my years watching like Z Word and everything, and a lot of accent I picked in university. Where did I go to university? Yes, get you a multi-talented queen. So like I said, for my tips, one thing I have noticed is that everybody has an accent. My years researching and everything, I think an accent does limit you in a way, but don't be insecure about it. And when I say an accent limits you, this is what I mean. Like some people, like if you want to be an actress and you don't want to only do Nigerian movies, especially when you have like my type of accent. If you want to star in Hollywood production, it can be very limiting unless they need a character with an African accent. One thing you need to know is that nobody is perfect. Not even everybody, unless I Lord Jesus Christ, nobody is perfect. Another one is on social media, follow people that have your accent and are doing good, that are in high places, like maybe Dima Ume. Like you can subscribe to me, because whether you like it or not, I'm still getting it. I'm gonna get it, okay? You guys can calm down for now. A lot of people on TikTok use their African accent for like comedial stuff, so you can subscribe to, you can like follow them on TikTok if that's what you like. But I don't think that the African accent should be only limited to comedial stuff or comedy. What's comedial there? But see, don't come and kill yourself for anybody. That's my last tip. Don't come and kill yourself for anybody or more. It's just this one life, just one life to live, just one. If you believe in reincarnation, me I don't. I mean reincarnation, whatever. And I believe there is only one life. So if you come and live one life to be stressing about some other people, and like you will not enjoy it. I'm just telling you, you will not enjoy it. Just calm down. As long as you go to school, okay, you know your book, you study very well, you're having good grades. When you have the money, if somebody that have accent, you not go to school and not have money, somebody that have accent have money, your kilo kind. What now happened to the accent? Is the accent going to bring you money? I will not say I'm not trying to learn other accents. I'm definitely trying to perfect my American accent, because I feel like it's a good thing to have variations. Variations like sells you more than some people that don't have variations. If you want to change your accent, nobody can stop you. Do whatever you want, boo, as long as you're happy. I'm not changing my accent, but I also want to learn other accents. That is basically it for this video. I don't even know what I talk about at the end of the day. What video do I ever know what I talk about? That's just how I am. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell next to it. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and share this video. And without further ado, baby boo, we have gotten to the end of the video. So see ya, catch ya later, boo.